Hi guys, I'm Hasta with WTI and I'm in my bathroom right now and I wanted to show you this little hook right here. So I live in a very small house and I think details are important to make your house feel cozy. These are the rust-proof metal double glide shower curtain rings from Teskyer store and I love these. I love the material because it's really resistant and it's not heavy at all. It's really lightweight and it's actually designed for wet bathrooms to prevent rusting. And this is something I appreciate a lot because I live in a place where there's a lot of hard water. So things in the bathroom tend to get rusty, but these ones haven't because of the material. They're really sturdy, high quality, and they have a capacity up to 5 kilograms. So they're strong enough to hold any curtain, doesn't matter how much it weighs. I also like the fact that it has double hooks, so you don't have to worry about the curtain hooks and the liner hooks because it holds both. One side's for the curtain itself and the other one for the curtain liner. And that's the best thing ever. It glides really smooth, and that's something I also like. So they're perfect, especially for my little house where I want small details to make a big difference. And that's my point of view.